Hi friends, welcome back to Playtime Creative Time. How are we going to be drawing together? In this video, we're going to draw a fire truck. First, draw two circles for the wheels and connect them. And then draw another lines on the other sides of the wheels. Let's draw the front part of the fire truck. Just like this, go to the right and down. Now let's start drawing the back of the fire truck. Just go to the right and go straight down and connect. This is how I make the ladder. Go straight down, then this is the upper part of the ladder, and then go down. And let's draw the down part of the ladder, and then I'm just gonna draw some rectangles to build up the ladder. And now let's draw the hose. Just spiral from up and going down and going inside. That's the hose. Just draw a spiral like this, and then this is the edge of the hose. I'm gonna add a little rectangle where the water will come out, just like this. And now let's draw the window. Oh, before you finish the window, don't forget the side mirror, and then a little rectangle for the handle, and the light, front light and back light. Draw a little circle inside the wheels for the details, and don't forget the siren at the top. Now it's done. We are ready to color our fire truck. Start with gray for the tip of the hose, and the hose yellow, and also the ladder and the front light. For the body of the fire truck, it's red. Just color all of them red. While for the siren and the back light, use different shade of red. Draw yellow lines around the siren to make it looks like that it's shining. The window light blue, and don't forget the detail of the window. Just lines with a dark blue, long, short, long diagonally, and then inside the wheel it's gray and also black for the wheels. And finally it's done. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you next time.